Hey everybody, welcome to my page. If you're new here, please like and subscribe the videos if you like them. I want to talk to you today about the 13 Muse Black fishing rod. I bought it a couple weeks back, took it down to Galveston to go fishing in the bay. Caught a few redfish. Mostly hardheads. Couldn't get away from the hardheads. Did catch a few fish though, and I'm gonna keep updating y'all on how I feel about this rod after I've fished with it a little bit longer. Excuse me. So this fishing rod that I bought, it's a Muse Black from 13 Fishing. It's a 7.2. It's a fast action, medium heavy power. It's rated for lure weight of 3/8 to 3/4 ounces and a line width 8 to 17 pounds. I'm running 30-pound Power Pro braid on here, and as you can see, I have a 13 Fishing prototype TX on the rod. I actually bought the reel before I bought the rod. Went to Tackle Warehouse and they send you for free a Fate Black medium fast 7-foot 1-inch rod, and I have a few of these for my bait casters, the Fate Blacks, and I have no issues with them whatsoever. They hold up well. I just wanted something different, and so I spent a little bit more money to buy this rod. It was hold on, let me make sure before I speak out. It was $195. So with tax and shipping, it come out to like $220, I think. But the quality of this rod is amazing to me. All of my medium heavy rods that I have are so much heavier than this rod. This rod is light. It has a good balance point, but it's insanely light. The rod seat, it sits great. It has a wonderful rod seat. You tighten it up, it's there. There's no play. It's got a nice nut to tighten it down with. It doesn't feel junky like some of the cheaper ones do. Guess I should have reeled that in first. Anyway, but it has a nice rod seat, as you can see. It is they say it's a Evolve Seamless Airfoil Carbon Reel Seat. It's got stainless steel guides with zirconia inserts and a SIC tip. The hook keeper. That's another thing I like about this rod, is the hook keeper. This hook keeper is not like the rest of the rods that I've used before, where it's just seated on one side. This one seats on both sides, and if you tighten it a little bit too much, you don't have to worry about it bending or breaking. Now I've had this like I said, I've only fished it one time. That one time was in salt water. I did not rinse anything off on this rod. The only thing I rinsed off was the reel. And there has been no corrosion whatsoever so far. But like I said, it's only been fished one time. To me, this rod feels more like a medium than a medium heavy. Like I said, this one is a medium fast. This is a medium heavy fast, and they both have the same bend to them. I don't know if you can really see that right here or not, but they both have the same bend. This one's just way lighter than this other rod. This is a $99 rod. This is a $195 rod. $99 rod, but they give it to you for free. And I'm all about some free stuff. After I paid $275 for this, but I bought this reel for this rod, or I bought the rod for this reel. This reel is a 3.0. It's their middle sized reel. They have a 2.0 and a 4.0. Hey, so I don't know what happened. My GoPro cut off on me. So anyway, I was saying, I was using a popping cork on this rod. I had all my other rods set up with my jigs and swim baits and all that stuff. But anyway, the rod with this popping cork and that reel did a great job. When I set the hook, the fish were there. Didn't have a single one get away from me from a bad hook set. It was just a pleasure to fish with this rod. I'm going to keep y'all updated from now and in the near future to how this rod's been doing and how I feel about it and so forth. These are not bad rods either. They get the job done. They're sensitive. Like I said, I just wanted something different. So if you're in the market for a new rod, go check out 13 Fishing's Muse Black and give them a whirl. And again, thanks for watching. If you like what you see and want to see more, please like and subscribe to videos. I'm not affiliated with anybody whatsoever. I'm just doing it for the fun of doing it. So I appreciate y'all watching.